Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet NFT. First, open your Trust Wallet application and navigate to the Collectibles tab. This is where your NFTs are displayed. If you don't see your NFT, you might need to manually add it. Ensure your wallet is fully updated to access all features. We'll cover the simple steps to ensure your digital assets are visible and ready for viewing. To connect your NFT, tap on the Collectibles tab at the bottom of your Trust Wallet screen. Look for a plus sign or Add button, usually in the top right corner. Here, you will enter the specific contract address of your NFT and its unique token ID. Double-check these details for accuracy to prevent any errors during the connection process. This ensures your unique digital asset is correctly recognized. If your NFT isn't showing up, first confirm it's on a network Trust Wallet supports, like Ethereum or Polygon. Sometimes, a simple refresh or clearing your wallet's cache can resolve display issues. If problems persist, consider re-importing your wallet using your 12-word recovery phrase. Always ensure you have your recovery phrase backed up securely before attempting this step to avoid any loss of access. For the best experience, always obtain NFT contract addresses from official project websites or verified marketplaces. This helps protect you from scams and ensures you're interacting with legitimate assets. Remember, your recovery phrase is the key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Staying organized helps in all aspects of life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.